Hi everyone, welcome to my channel where we can go on a journey together to live our highest, truest, and most fulfilled version of ourselves. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will know every time I post a video. Thank you so much for your support. Today's video is another food vlog, and this time this is my new favorite tofu recipe. It's the crispy Tofu Katsu fingers. You are going to love this, I promise. So here we go. I have the recipe down below for easy reference. So here are the ingredients for this crispy Tofu Katsu fingers. First, we have the extra firm tofu. I use organic tofu. I love the taste and the texture. Then after the tofu, we have the panko. Then we have the flour. I use almond flour. Then we have ketchup, soy sauce, water, and sesame oil, and a little bit of sea salt if you want for taste. First step is to make the quick katsu sauce by mixing together the ketchup, toasted sesame oil, and soy sauce. Mix it well until it's combined and have the consistency like this. Next step is to mix together the flour, the water, and a pinch of salt in a bowl. Mix it like slightly mixing, and so it will look like a pancake batter, just like this. Next step is to pour the panko into a separate bowl. Here I use the aluminum baking pan, it's easier for me, and season with some salt and stir it and mix it well. Next, carefully slice the extra firm tofu into sticks, finger sticks, like this. Next is roll the tofu in the flour mixture and use a fork or your hands to transfer the tofu onto the panko and roll the tofu to coat it. Set the tofu aside and repeat with the rest of the tofu sticks. It will all look like this. Next is to heat up a frying pan to medium heat. Add the vegetable oil and let it heat up for a few minutes. Then carefully fry the tofu in small batches for about 45 seconds on each side, or until golden brown. Set the tofu into a paper towel to rest and absorb the excess oil. And here's the finished product. It's delicious, guys. You need to try this. You can serve this crispy tofu katsu fingers with vegetables and a salad, and then top with the delicious sauce. If you want to cook it the healthier way without the oil, you can bake them at 425 degrees for 20 minutes, and it will turn out crispy as well and delicious. And you can serve it with the vegetables as well, and also top with the katsu sauce. Whether you fried it or baked it, both delicious and really good with the katsu sauce. The sauce is really good. Easy to make but very good. Enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Happy cooking, happy eating, and be kind, be loving, and be inspired. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.